Multiple times a year, CapTech hosts an internal innovation challenge related to emerging technologies. Our people form cross-functional teams with colleagues they usually do not get to work with, boosting creativity and inspiration that leads to more fun and learning around the latest technologies that are transforming the world. Past topics have focused on technologies like virtual reality, Internet of Things, and machine learning, while others have been open-ended in terms of technology to serve industries and large groups like sports and those with accessibility needs.
Imagine a virtual companion that watches sports on TV in the same room as you. It tells you information about the players, the teams, and explains terminology as you watch the game. Whether you're watching your favorite baseball team or an Olympic sport that you've never seen before, this virtual companion knows all about the sport. We thought this would be possible with today's technology, so we built a demonstration using football as a sport.
After we rallied around the idea, we created a journey map that was used to continuously guide and inform our development. Let's walk through the map as Jimmy. Jimmy isn't really a sports guy, but he's with some friends and they're watching a football game. Using our app, Jimmy is better able to understand football-specific things like what a pass interference call is or who the star players are. This information helps Jimmy get engaged better with the sport and with his friends.
Having the app watch something with you means it needs to know what's going on in near real time. Watching the game through closed captions allows the app to pick out keywords and phrases that it can look up online and then present that information to the user in a meaningful way.
Starting with the front end, we've been capturing the closed captions of a game broadcast via an SRT file. Our backend receives these closed caption snippets, runs an entity recognition model, performs some natural language processing to identify words such as player names, team names, or any relevant sports terms. Once we have these phrases, we then pull information like sports statistics and player headshots from various backend data sources to display on the mobile app.
So when I start up with the app, I'm provided with a list of all the games I could choose to view. Here we're watching the Ravens and Chiefs game, so I'll choose that game on the app. And as more and more football data comes across the broadcast, whether that be football terminology, player names, team names, our model will identify that data, transmit it to the app, and we'll see it received here on the screen. And now if I want to learn more about Patrick Mahomes, I can just tap on this bubble and we'll be directed to a new screen with his biographical data, statistical data, and quick links to his NFL.com profile, Wikipedia page, and a YouTube search for Patrick Mahomes.
We're really excited about the potential this app has to expand the enjoyment of sports to a wider audience and really bring people together. Bringing this idea to life was challenging and fun, and we can't wait for the next innovation challenge.